Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this Icon Slip-Joint Pliers, 8-inch. We'll talk about it, we'll go over to Harbor Freight website and show you that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you other ones I have here. And those who are not familiar with their Icon, that's Harbor Freight's exclusive top tier line. Of course, all the Icon comes with lifetime warranty. 3-position slip joint provides maximum versatility and increased jaw capacity. Shear cutter delivers easier cuts with less effort. Durable diamond serrated teeth for strong grip and additional pulling power. Cushion grip handle helps reduce fatigue. All right, let's go over to Harbor Freight website and show you that, and then we'll come back and we'll unpackage that. All right, here we are on the Harbor Freight website, and this is an Icon 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers. $19.99 is the regular price. Of course, there's always coupons, and they have Icon sales periodically through the year of 20% off, 30% off of their tools. And this got a pretty good feedback rating as well, 99%, which is pretty good. Works great, nice big grips. Great set of pliers to have, slip joint nice in 3 positions. These are very similar to the higher priced brands, and it's comparing it to the Snap-on, which I'll just jump over real quick and let's take a peek at that Snap-on. And here's that Snap-on here on the Snap-on website, $62. Looks similar. And with Icon is this better forged, a better grade of metal, less resistance. I have a lot of the Icon sockets, but I don't have many of the hand tools like this. So this is one of the first hand tools I got from Icon. And then of course you got their Dole here. Dole is between the Pittsburgh and Icon. And then you have the Pittsburgh one as well, which I'll show you here. And that one is $4.99 for that Pittsburgh. What can I say about Pittsburgh? I have a lot of Pittsburgh tools. I haven't had any issues with them. And Pittsburgh has a lifetime warranty on it. Is it worth the extra money to go with the Icon? Well, that's up to you decide. I'll show you what else I have. All right, let's get back to the pliers. Okay, I'm using a Quinn shear scissors, which I use in all my reviews. This really like it. Really good scissors. And of course, these packages are packaged really well. And here it is here. Eye protection warning, wiring 9. Okay, warning, little warning label on there. All right, I'm going to show you a couple other ones I have here. Now, you saw that Pittsburgh in there, and that's a Pittsburgh one, the $4.91 versus the Icon. And it definitely, the difference on here is this is, of course, not as smooth as the Icon. You can feel that right away. This one's really easy to use. That one's so much, but you get what you pay for, really. And then I have this one here. I don't know what, this actually says USA on it. Now, I had this one since I was a teenager. Of course, I buffed it up and got a lot of the rust out of it. And of course, how many of us have pliers set? And I'll show you what I have here in my service cart. I have, of course, you guys probably have that too, right? That's kind of like my pliers drawer of all my hand tools. So I got quite a few different ones there. So is it worth $19 for this? I mean, you can tell it definitely is built better than the Pittsburgh. And there's nothing wrong with Pittsburgh too. Pittsburgh also, as you know, has a lifetime warranty on it. You break it, you bring it back to the store to give you a new one. So is it worth paying $4.99 for the Pittsburgh one, or $19.99 for the Icon one? The Icon one this grip does feel a little better as well. Okay guys, this has 3 positions on it too, like that. And the Pittsburgh one has 2. And so is my old one. My really old one has 2 as well. Right, so that's probably another a positive thing. This has 3 positions, and a lot of the other ones out there only have 2. Hey guys, let me know what you think of Icon. I mean, do you think it's worth spending extra money to get a better quality wrench? Sometimes I think it is. I mean, that's why I bought this one. I thought, well, I wanted a little better pliers because it's, you know, most commonly used tool that you can have in your toolbox. All right, guys, have any questions, put in the comments, and thanks for watching.